There are 38 species of cats in the world, and among those 38 species, there's only one who sits on the throne of the world's deadliest. If you're taking a stroll and someone mentions the world's deadliest cat, of course the first thing that will come to your mind might be the king of the jungle. Hmm, all hail Lion King. But that isn't true. For years, people have thought the puma was the world's deadliest cat. It was not long until this little guy took over its place, the black-footed cat. Aside from being the world's deadliest cat, it's also the smallest cat species in Africa. Very interesting. The first black-footed cat was discovered in northern Karoo of South Africa and discovered in 1824. But now, black-footed cats, also known as small spotted cats, can be found in only these three countries: Botswana, Namibia, and of course, the first place it was discovered, South Africa. They are found mostly in short to medium length grass plains, scrub deserts, and sand plains, including the Kalahari and Karoo deserts. Areas of grass with high rodent and bird densities are optimal habitats. Male black-footed cats weigh about 1.9 kg and females weigh about 1.3 kg, which is quite small. The height of a male ranges from 37 to 47 centimeters. Your everyday big things mostly come in small packages. It has a 10 to 12-year lifespan. Now, I know you might be thinking, how is a small cute cat the world's deadliest cat? Well, this cute cat has a predation success rate of 60%, which is really surprising. They are also nocturnal. That means they hunt only at night. They mostly prey on anything small, be it mice, birds, or even lizards. If you somehow spot a black footed cat, oh, please run as fast as you can. Well, I'm just kidding. They won't necessarily harm a human. We hope so.